Ganahan ba ka magpundar og property nga mahimo nimong mapamana sa inyong mga anak o kapuhan? Stay with me kay ako'y tip nimo. Komo nagigay ni siya. Sa garang mga Pilipino, ang real estate isn't just an investment. It's a way to build a family legacy. Owning a property allows you to pass down assets to your children or grandchildren, ensuring financial stability for the future generations. So as property value increase, ang imong property mahimong key asset sa imong pamilya. Mona, here are the 3 ways that real estate can help you build a family legacy. Number 1, real estate will have long-term value. Property values increase over time, making it a valuable asset for future generations. Second, it's a tangible asset. Real estate is something physical you can pass on to your children and their grandchildren. And third, income generating ni siya. You can rent it out and provide a steady source of income for your family even after you're gone. Kung ganun ka makatunog real estate investing, check the link in my bio and follow me for more.